Ma'am, that Mr. Sivaramakrishnan.
Mr. He is here.
Yes, yes. I met him, no, that
You
Coimbatore
met
and all.
him. Now he is here.
She didn't met.
Still alive with you.
What's their name?
He is now with me.
We will start a research library with all these books and all the books, with your
He is a
signature.
great dreamer.
I will have to work
Something,
hard to make
we
it.
purchased the land, no?
He is
That's
a
a
great
cross.
dreamer. And the whole thing is the dreams come true.
And also, the Cultiversity, a new university comes, the word is Cultiversity, cultivation of knowledge. At MontessorI in a higher level. And under which we are incorporating that courses now.
Bless you, long life.
Sure.
You get all things done.
Yeah.
Okay, so we'll meet tomorrow?
I'm blessing him long life.
Yeah.
Right. I have to bless you because you are so much interested in my books.
Yeah.
I have to bless her also.
Yeah.
The only thing is I can't come and see your center. Not possible. At least if I can walk, which my physiotherapist, he will come on Monday. He's taken leave. He says, it's very easy, you will walk. So if I walk, then I can come.
Yeah.
If I walk, I'll get into the car.
But your health condition is very better now. And so it's possible, you can visit there.
It may be possible.
Yeah, magical
Who
things
knows?
happen now.
Shall we
Who
try one?
knows? I met liver when I am 112.
That day you stayed in NIT, no? In guest house, near to that place, our land.
Yes.
And Uma Maheshwari came there, no? That day.
Yes.
Near to that place. And so it's a blessed place, with your visit.
Yes.
Yeah.
Now I am living on memories. We went there, we went here, all that memory is working in me. So that keeps me alive.
Lens.
He's giving me injection. All that she will look after.
That's a great.
So great blessing for me.
God bless you.
Okay, ma'am.